that's not very good. That's not. Okay, you need to put some milk. Yep, into the blue cup. Oh, I hope it works, because if not, we have to do some new batches.
Yep.
Pour some milk in.
How much?
Well, probably up to about there, because you want a cupful, don't you? Keep going, bit more, little bit more, little bit more, little bit. Stop. Now here's a spoon. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'm not sure how many spoons of this we put in. I think it's about 3. So that's like a mountain, isn't it? Like a hill on the spoon.
4.
Okay. Put that bit in. Press the button on the top.
Here.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, she's mixing it. Great. Do you like that?
Yeah.
That's it. It's stopped now. Do you need to mix it a bit more? Okay. Press it again. There you go. Is she going to stop?
Don't know.
Wait a minute. Stop. Don't hold it. And we can just take that out, can't we? And it'll just stop on its own now. Look, it's even a little flower. Oh, it's stopped now, look. Because if you hold it still too long, it might break the motor in it. There you go, pour your chocolate milk in there. I hope it's all mixed up. Yeah, it is a bit milky.
Stop.
Don't you like it?
No.
Why?
It's not good taste.
It is a good taste, this one.
It smells good.
It's good taste.
That.
Yep, press that one. Stop. Now you need to stir it so all that's gone at the bottom.
Whoa.
All of it will be flooded out with coffee.
That one.
But I love gingerbread. That's enough. Now I can smell gingerbread. That's a good way to do it. Woo. Smells delicious. Gingerbread is always my favourite. Always. I don't know why I love gingerbread so much. Mocha. Try mocha. Yeah, because that's chocolate.
Yes.
High five the barista. Oh, do you know what Lily does now? High five scuba dive. High five scuba dive. Can you do that? High five before you get there. Scuba dive. Like that.
Oh, you do a hopscotch like that?
Yeah.
I'm going to get a different colour.
You put them 5.
6. No.
Now, this is a special hopscotch.
What?
Okay, so we used to roll it like that. Ruby will get it. And then we go.
That's not how we
That's how we used to do it.
At my school, I do it like
Oh, she's stealing it off me. You little monkey. No. And then we know whose is whose.
This is mine.
No. Ruby, come on. You have to miss out number 3. No. Oh, 4 again. I'm going to take my flip-flops off because I nearly tripped over in my flip-flops last time. Oh, oh Ruby, come on. Whose turn is it now?
Mummy's.
Mummy's? It's you next.
No.
Oh no, it isn't. It's hard to jump in flip-flops.
Yeah.
especially these soft ones. Whoa! Let's make it difficult.
Yeah.
Oh! Thank you. Naughty dog. Mummy had to do lots. Oh, she's run off with Mummy's now. Oh, oh great one. Whoa, that was a good jump.
Whoa!
Oh, wrong again. Rubbish. Yeah, gluten. This is my bread. I'll make mine over there. That's it. I'm just making my gluten-free one. I'll just make mine over. You don't know if you don't try it.
Stop encouraging me to eat.
You have to try everything. Really good for you. Full of iron.
This is how I cook.
High five.
Scuba dive.
Hi. I'm here. That's better. Lots.
There you go. Barbecue.
Oh, thank you. Ketchup one.
Thank you.
We'll probably have a party in the garden. Invite loads of people, all dressed in red, white and blue. Have lots of flags up and things like that.
I'm at school.
No, you won't be. Nobody will be at school. It will be a bank holiday.
What? What's that?
Nobody will be at work. Well, not many people.
About Mummy.
No, maybe not. Or maybe this year. Mummy can ask for the holiday for next year ready before anybody else does. Very good, that's